Deuxième épisode. Putain, à chaque fois, ils font le coup de faire comme une... Comme un épisode, et si à chaque fois il y a le générique, ça va me... Ça va me trigger un peu quand même. Hein.
Dang it! I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock.
Oh, il a l'air en dépression, le pauvre bébou.
SDN is not an insurance company and does not cover damages to property, persons, or animals.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool, cool commercial. I'm a Phenomenon fan, you might say. You could say that.
He seems cool, phenomenal even, and quite the salesman.
Oh yeah, I mean, he could sell snowballs to an Is it not cool to say? Snowman. He could sell snowballs to a
Mais moi aussi, j'ai en train de me dire ça. Il porte un genre de cas de son
Anyone
costume.
made of snow. Any color snow doesn't have to be white. Oh, God. Okay. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is yep. That is,
Just
yeah.
okay. Let me help you.
Oh no, no.
Je pense que c'est parce qu'il...
I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh no.
Okay. Oh,
Awkward.
now that your face is next to a side of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
You, look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, what?
Je lui ai cramé la tronche, c'est pour ça que j'essaie de me cacher.
Real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Tu veux que j'augmente un peu le jeu du... Bah attendez, hop, je vais mettre un petit peu plus fort. Hop, propriété... Non. Et hop. Normalement ça devrait être un peu plus fort pour vous. Vous me direz si c'est plus fort ou pas.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here. I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Allez, c'est
Until
pour le
now.
son.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
It's fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's sure.
I mean, don't stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
Ah,
It doesn't look like
elle est
it.
intéressée, hein.
I'm flexing
Putain, par contre,
every
il est blessé de
muscle
fou.
in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can, go into the details of those complications with you later.
Look, we were both a little tipsy, got lost in the moment. You know, it's totally understandable. It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Ah bah c'est-à-dire qu'on va parler d'invisibilité.
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
No professional lines were crossed.
Right. So just like grinding, clothes on stuff.
Busy? Knock it off. I just got a little tipsy at our meeting.
A meeting? Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Having superpowers doesn't automatically make you a superhero. You're born with one, you have to earn the other.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kinda corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Il a pas tant que ça bedaine, vous abusez là. Mon jeu rame un peu, je sais pas trop si ça se voit de votre côté.
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
What kind of heroes end up here?
Oh, all sorts. Some that are tired of doing it themselves, some heroes who prefer teams.
And some that used to be called Invisibitch. Quite the eclectic roster.
Yep. We're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with super hearing. He's from...
Florida.
Florida! Of course. Florida man over there. Easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Alors. Besoin encore de monter un peu le son, je vais le faire. Dites-moi si c'est trop fort ou à un bout d'un moment ou si vraiment ça va pas et tout. J'ai poussé un peu à fond, hein. Peut-être que ça sera fort dans vos oreilles, donc faites gaffe, vous me dites.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd.
Oh, il avait envie le mec, hein.
Alright. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise. So Royd, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get 2 other guys here. They go by the name Royd. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I bust you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Royd? Like I'm on steroids? Because they think I'm some kind of a juice head. They think I'm not natty, bro. They think Roy's not natty.
Look, it's not my business, but I don't think it's a coincidence. Sorry.
Whatever. I don't care.
Yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Roy, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis and Roy need to know. I don't want to come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Très étrange comme conversation quand même. Hein.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Oh non.
Holy shit, who's this frick?
Je vais descendre un petit peu le son. Hop, j'avais dit que je mettais à fond donc c'est normal. Hein. Hop là. J'enlève juste un peu.
Go face fuck. How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Why you all tense? What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm still confused.
Oh, right. Because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit!
Yeah, you fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers.
Voilà.
Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piston.
Ça, c'est un bon exemple de pouvoir qui est cool, mais le contre-coup, il est énorme.
Keep the old ticker from popping on me.
Then how old are you really?
I turned 39 a few months ago, but went to Dave & Buster's, shit was lit.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect then re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Ah oui, zéro pression, ouais.
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate who
Will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in US history. Also,
Sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Il se transforme en chauve-souris géante, très intelligent, accro à diverses substances illicites. Ah! Détournement, chantage, possession de drogue, contrefaçon, fraude, blanchissement d'argent, parjure et cyberharcèlement. Ah bah super, Sonar, super! Bravo!
Flambe. He
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
C'est quoi le pouvoir du vieux? J'ai pas suivi. Alors le pouvoir du vieux, je crois qu'il était pote avec le père de notre protagoniste. Et son pouvoir, c'est d'aller super vite. Genre, c'est Flash. Concrètement, c'est Flash. Sauf que son pouvoir le fait vieillir autant qu'il va aussi rapidement. Donc là, il disait qu'il pouvait aller 50 fois la vitesse de la lumière. Sauf que du coup, il vieillit 50 fois plus vite aussi. Donc là, il a que 39 ans en réalité, mais il est vieux comme s'il en avait 80. Donc voilà, gros contre-coup de pouvoir quoi. Pyrokinésie, invulnérabilité du feu, pyropropulsion, colérique sans surprise. Pyromane, ah oui, a conçu sa propre autonomie. Ça se voit. Incendie volontaire, agression et vandalisme. Pas super.
Invisigal, who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious? Really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Invisibilité, combat rapproché, peut devenir invisible quand elle veut, mais uniquement en retenant son souffle. Ah, asthmatique. Ah, désagréable et distante. Ça c'est chiant ça, c'est un bon pouvoir, mais t'as une autre condition physique qui fait que c'est relou quoi. Ah ouais.
Here we have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Arme, umbra kinétique. Vol, umbra kinétique, précision surnaturelle. Ok. Le pouvoir nul. Bah, invisible, c'est pas si mal, mais ouais, déjà, elle est asthmatique et elle fume. Franchement, elle cherche les problèmes. Hein. Mystérieuse, mortelle et farouche. Nombre de victimes inconnues, comme beaucoup de choses à son sujet. Agression armée, chantage, assassinat, enlèvement et harcèlement. Bah, c'est super ça, dites-moi.
Punch up.
Carnival's strongman who made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charming brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Oh non, elle est trop drôle la photo. 1 mètre. Picokinésie. Pycnokinésie, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Force et résistance surhumaine. Immunisé à la douleur. Oh. Possède la force de 10 hommes et la moitié de la taille d'un seul. Agression, violation de liberté conditionnelle. Violation de liberté conditionnelle, oui. Ivresse sur la voie publique et meurtre. Ah oui, il a tué des gens, bah, let's go.
Malevola. Terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
2m066666, ouais, c'est bon, on vous a vu, hein. 33. Physiologie démonique. Physiologie démoniaque, création de portail, absorption de force vitale, transfert de blessure. Transfert de blessure, c'est... Mais on sait pas. Possède une queue préhensile. Préhensile. Marraine de sonar chez les NA. C'est illimité. Lilith. Oui, c'est Lilith un peu, ouais. Sauf qu'elle a une grosse épée, elle fait des portails. Athéiste. Marrant. Fan de documentaires criminels. Ok. Agression, cambriolage, chantage, contrefaçon, enlèvement et meurtre. Mais tout le monde a fait meurtre en fait. Meurtre. Agression, ah non, pas elle. Elle a pas tué des gens. Lui non plus, a priori. Et lui non plus. Ok. Donc là, ça tue des gens ici. Ok.
That's Golem. He is a construct.
A construct?
Yeah. Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Corps morphologique, mimétisme terrestre, guérison régénérative. Grande masse d'argile de terre, aime la poésie, le basket, a du mal à passer les portes. Complicité, trouble à l'ordre public, vandalisme. Ah ouais, donc il y a vraiment genre juste un golem un peu... voilà, qui comprend pas trop la vie face à des meurtriers, littéralement. Ok.
Prism. Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
Putain, j'avoue, le pouvoir de la lumière, c'est cool ça. Photokinésie, photo-ionisation, manipulation holographique. Nice. 1,3 million de followers. Snob musical, très dramatique. Demande constamment à retourner dans sa caravane. Agression, possession de drogue, conduite en état d'ivresse, fraude fiscale. Ok.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
This computer's older than you look.
J'avoue.
Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to
T'avais
these
déjà son
prisoners.
casque sur la tête, non?
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real
You stuttering bitch?
name.
You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto's son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He packing much?
But he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up! Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Il a les sourcils cramés, je me sens un peu mal.
My son's balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Ballon perdu, bah super. Grimper à un arbre de 12 mètres pour récupérer un ballon rouge, ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Bah elle, hein, je pense.
On my way. I know a shortcut for this guy's backyard. Trust me, I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Parce qu'il a envoyé seul un visimeuf. Un visimeuf. Réduit le temps de trajet et le temps de complétion. Ah, ok, mais faut qu'elle soit toute seule.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting a hero for a very important event.
Who's this Vanderstink guy?
Willem Vanderstank, certified genius. Literally, he has a certificate.
You aren't a genius if you need a piece of paper that says you're a genius.
You're just jealous. This guy rules.
Je crois que c'est la partie où j'ai joué dans la démo. Donc je crois que je me souviens pas mal, mais je crois que j'ai foiré aussi pas mal dans la démo, donc on va essayer. Hein. C'est un peu Suicide Squad. Ouais, j'ai l'impression que ça a un peu la vibe, ouais, Suicide Squad. Une bonne image de CSDN.
Make up your mind.
Ah ouais, ça va. Hein. Bah, ce serait elle, non? Quelqu'un qui sait bien parler, c'est elle?
I'm busy, but okay. In the name of the moon, I'll beat your ass.
Elle est drôle.
I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Wesh. Aïe, 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 aïe. Ok, c'est bon.
I think that went pretty well.
Oh oui.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip, and your subconscious will be dead. Cringe.
Au secours.
Oh my god! My bidet is spraying shit everywhere!
Quoi? Bidet fou. Réparer le bidet défectueux. Faut que je... Ah oui, il faut que je pirate. Ah oui, c'est vrai, j'avais fait jouer ça dans le début. bidets défectueux.
Let's see if I can do this. Yes.
Je pirate les bidets, ouais, c'est...
Still got it.
Bidet piraté. J'ai vraiment l'image du truc. Bidet éteint. J'en peux plus.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
Do you know who we saw in the bar last night? Mecha Man.
And he kicked Flambe's ass.
Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
You did, though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Drôle. Bah en vrai, on va envoyer... Elle.
Alright.
Et lui.
You look, different.
Better?
Sur une mission à 2 emplacements, certains emplacements peuvent conférer plus de une stat et moins 1 à d'autres quand Golem est assigné. Ah! Lui, il est bien là, ok. 2 héros se battent à Night City. Ah, Kryptonite. Va te faire la bagarre diplomatiquement. Ah!
Well, bye then.
Donc... Eux?
I'm doing it.
Need to find my keys. We're good.
Boat robbery in progress at the yacht club.
Bateau volé. Récupérer le bateau volé.
Okay.
Ah.
So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you. Shut the fuck up.
Ah mince, on voit pas très bien couper. Je sais pas où me mettre. Parce que je me mets juste plus petit. Je sais pas, vous voyez suffisamment là, vous pensez? Oui. Ces idiots se battent pour le nom de Fightman. Des idées de nouveaux noms pourraient régler ça. Suggérer de devenir un duo. Ok, nice. Au centre à droite? Là? Tu veux que je me mette là, Maë? Non, là? Ouais, là. Ça pourrait être pas mal là. Nice.
Okay, what's going on with Sonar?
Oh, that, yeah. He kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Randomly.
We are working on controlling it.
Sonar se transforme en revenant d'une mission et inverse ses stats. Ah, intelligence avec combat et charisme avec vigueur jusqu'à la prochaine mission. Putain, casse les couilles.
Flambe, you're off route.
Flambé. Arrête de casser les couilles, Flambé.
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Whatever, man.
Il y a un incident. Bah super, merci Flambeau. Flambé. Je sais pas trop qui peut arrêter le truc en vrai. Peut-être les gens qui sont rapides. Genre elle.
Just so you know, I'm not going for you. I'm going because I have to.
bâtard.
This can't be.
Nul.
Hey, someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man. I just started today.
Après le contrôle de sécurité, éviter les capteurs de mouvement et appréhender les voleurs. Ah merde! J'aurais dû prendre un Visimeuf. En vrai, elle, hein, elle peut se TP. Rendez les bijoux de la couronne, c'est ça. Elle peut se TP, donc a priori ça devrait le faire. Et lui?
Oh, sick.
I know, right? Can't believe this shit's worth money.
Le feu incontrôlable, comment l'empêcher de se propager? Éteins le feu avec la lance à eau. Oui. Ouh. Suffisamment de bras pour utiliser la lance à eau.
It's me again, Galen. Blazer told me to show you the ropes, so here we are. Hey, a hero ranked up. Good job. Go check that hero database. Now navigate to the new upgrade tab. Every rank up earns skill points. Use them for increasing stats.
C'est bizarre que j'augmente les compétences
Use
des
the
gens.
plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Ouais, vigueur, ce serait pas mal, non? Ouais.
Denny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN hiring criminals to protect us.
Éduquer l'entre-dieu sur le programme Phoenix SDN, lui prouver qu'il a tort sur le sujet de la Team Z. Ah, bon, on va envoyer elle.
Fine. Fucker said I was pregnant. Hell no.
Oh, j'ai piraté, hein. C'est pas les petits, hein. Ah, y a du temps. Il faut être bon au secours, je ne suis pas bon. Mon cerveau là, on surchauffe. Il n'y avait pas de difficulté hein, d'ailleurs. C'est la même difficulté tout le temps. Let's go! Trop fort en fait. Piste trouvée, très bien.
Everybody should step back. We've encountered these thieves before.
Ah. Le musée se fait cambrioler, je ne sais pas quoi faire, c'est mon premier jour. Ah, ok. Déjà eu affaire à ces voleurs. Compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art de ce réseau criminel, localiser les membres. Quelqu'un avec du cerveau? Ouais, y'a personne avec du cerveau qui est dispo là. Faudrait que les gens soient un peu plus versatiles parce que je me trouve un peu dans la merde en vrai pour pas mal de trucs. Je vais lui donner un peu de vigueur. Ouais, c'est ça. Ah oui, du coup c'est bon, je peux l'envoyer de lui.
On it.
Et je vais l'envoyer de lui, hein.
Uh-huh.
Oh, dope. Is that a new gas station?
Dude, why do you care?
Malevola always humors me.
Oh non. Let's go.
Okay, I know y'all saw that. Don't be jealous. It's okay.
Ok, nice. Elle est pas mal en speech. Je sais pas si ce serait cool d'augmenter son speech à elle. Ou son intelligence. Je pense que l'intelligence c'est pas mal, parce que j'ai l'impression que les missions qui demandent du speech demandent aussi de l'intelligence. Nice. Parfait.
Wow, you're on fire today.
Oh, this? I'm just warming up.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Et du coup, il a vraiment gardé ses sourcils brûlés, genre tout le jeu. J'ai fait. Ah, j'ai pas
For some
lu!
situations, you can only choose one solution.
Du coup, je sais pas ce qu'il fait Flambeau.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Ah ouais, c'est pas mal ça. Bah, le truc, c'est que. Ouais, il peut se reposer, mais. Je crois que je peux pas tout de suite l'envoyer là. Allez, on va l'envoyer lui. Hop là.
Sure. Go ahead.
Thanks, man. You will not regret this.
Well, I didn't think I would until you said that.
Heading there.
Alright, I'll snitch. Just cut me a deal, okay?
Oh, c'est les agresseurs de musée là? C'est ça? Ah, c'est ça. La planque est bien protégée, faudrait faire preuve d'une discrétion et utiliser de l'environnement.
On it.
Elle. Et utiliser l'environnement, mais c'est elle? En gros, c'est ça?
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
Oh merde.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set this car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Oh, super, merci. Sonar commence à stresser et douter de son pitch de substitut de viande humaine. Que devrait-il faire? Comment ça? Comment ça? Substitut de viande humaine? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Il manque une histoire attachante.
Make it relatable. You know, tell a story.
I've got a great story.
Ok, nice. C'est super.
Time to freak some fuckers out.
Tu penses que les points que je dépense vont que dans un endroit pour Sonar? Je sais pas. Est-ce que là par exemple si je mets un point dans intelligence, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Là ça augmente le reste, j'ai l'impression. Quoique je suis pas sûre. Bizarre. Ils ont inventé le gamin mais ils ne savent pas quoi faire du voleur de 12 ans. Oh, Malévola ou Sonar, essayez de lui parler.
Just, you know, give him a pep talk.
Nice.
Hey, fit like a glove.
Ok, nice. On lui rajoute quoi, lui? Parce qu'en beau parleur, on a... elle. On pourrait le faire en charisme. Ou intelligence, peut-être. Non, charisme, c'est bien. Non. Bagarre. Voilà, bagarre, c'est bien. Faire sortir les tableaux en silence. Nécessite de couper. Ah.
You get the paintings out. Quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer.
And that's how we do it down under.
Nice. Putain, elle speedrun. Est-ce que je l'ai beaucoup envoyé? Peut-être. Je pourrais lui augmenter sa mobilité, ouais, ça peut être pas mal. Nice, bah écoute, c'est la une fin de journée ça, non? Ah non, j'ai rien dit MDR.
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up, aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
D'accord.
I got this one. Seriously, don't worry about it. I'll be so fine. I promise. Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
OMG. Oh no, she dead.
I didn't do this.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Just a plain-ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slapped that donut around on your face a little before you put it in your mouth, huh?
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn. Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Oh ouais. J'en ai rien à foutre, je craque quoi. Une caméra qui me résiste? Jamais. Du coup, son super pouvoir à lui, ce serait genre la mécanique et hacker en fait.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
C'est vrai ça.
Hello?
Ugh.
Et merci pour le GG
This
d'ailleurs.
node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Oh non. Vous vous souvenez le chat, hein? Au bas. Gauche, gauche. Au bas, gauche, gauche. Au bas, gauche, gauche.
This node has an unknown code. Find the key.
Au bas, gauche, gauche. Ouais. Merci Maë.
Alright, what do we got here?
Perp, B&E. Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
No.
C'est les gens de spectre, ça.
God damn it. This bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Disappear!
Putain. Je savais qu'il m'allait réfléchir. Trop distrait par la jolie animation.
Shit.
Invisible bitch!
Invisigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help.
On peut pas envoyer d'autres personnes?
I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster. Come on, come on, come on.
Ah.
Got him.
Ok, bah haut, très bien. Et bah haut, droite, gauche, quoi? Ah! Je sais pas la LED. Le jeu il est pas gentil. J'ai pas compris. Elle va juste mourir. Ah putain. Je suis nulle sous stress donc ouais hein. Oh. C'est pour le GG. Oh, le GG quoi?
I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you—
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny! Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
You know what? It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you. That thing's gonna blow that man's arm off, and there's a whole building with me in it. Fuck off. I'm disarming the device.
No, Invisigal, that's a direct order.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck. Fuck! Invisigal, you there? Come in, Invisigal!
Fuck, this guy's heavy.
Du coup j'ai mis la censure active.
Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. He's kind of caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he must have had something else to do, 'cause he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day.
Ah bon?
Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief the blazer in a bit. Here, There's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Aïe. Ok, j'en ai vu toi. Wouh! J'ai déjà moi. J'ai réussi. J'ai fait que un truc. Ouais. Un point aléatoire, objet pharmacie. Ok. Salaire en révision. Non. Et bah c'est pas mal tout ça. Qu'est-ce qu'on en pense de ce petit jeu? Moi je l'aime bien. Je pense que je vais continuer un petit peu, mais vu qu'il parlait de snack, ça m'a donné faim. Qu'est-ce qu'on se dit? Est-ce qu'on fait un petite pause pour prendre un snack là? Ça va être pas mal. Mes récompenses. J'ai bien te regarder jouer. Merci Maë, c'est cute. Par contre, j'en peux plus, hein. Le truc là de la programmation où j'avais pas compris que c'était à droite et que du coup je faisais bâche au bas, j'étais en mode ah! À la fin, c'est bon, j'ai compris, mais quand même. Second souffle, rang requis, rang requis. Mets fin au repos d'un héros. Oh, ça c'est bien ça. Tiens, prends du café et fais pas chier. Ouais, le code en deux parties, ils ont fumé. Hein. J'en peux plus. Du coup, je me demande qu'est-ce qui se passe si tu foires. Genre, est-ce que la meuf, elle meurt? Je pense pas, mais ce serait intéressant de faire une seconde run après où je fais exprès de foirer les trucs. Juste pour voir. On a parlé de snack. Moi, j'ai envie de me faire un petit snack. Je vais me faire du pain grillé, je pense. Et ça va être pas mal. Nice. J'ai vu ton screen sur la télé. Ça y est, je suis connue. Ouais. Non, quand même pas. Ça fait bizarre de voir ma tête sur une télé. Petit snack, petit pain grillé. Petit pain grillé avec du chocolat dessus et je reviens. À tout de suite. J'y réfléchissais, mais je sais pas à quel point les journées et les épisodes sont longs. Parce que autant le prologue... C'est le prologue, quoi. Il y avait beaucoup de blabla et pas beaucoup de gameplay. Là, il y a eu quand même beaucoup plus de gameplay, mais je me demande si c'est une journée, un épisode. Ou si dans un épisode, il y a plusieurs journées. Je sais pas, on verra ça. Et bon appétit. Ah. Les graphismes sont super cool en tout cas, les animations et tout. C'est super bien exécuté. Bah ouais, c'est ça que je kiffe. C'est vraiment très très joli, mais j'avais vu sur internet qu'à la base c'était censé être une série animée et pas un jeu vidéo. Même un film, je sais plus, je crois que c'était censé être une série. Par la force des choses, ils en ont fait un jeu. Donc tant mieux, hein, moi j'aime bien, moi je kiffe. Surtout les jeux à choix et tout, je trouve que quand c'est bien fait, c'est vraiment cool. On donne à qui la vigueur? On donne à couper, à prisme. Oui, il y a que elles qui sont à 0. Donc autant donner à des gens qui sont à 0. Couper ou prisme d'après vous? Qui en a plus besoin? Vous me dites si ça vous cringe que je mâche dans vos oreilles. Hein. me suis mute. Je disais, moi je pense plus couper parce qu'on va l'envoyer plus à la bagarre que Prisme. Donc couper. Nice. Petit snack.
Ah.
Hey!
Ah, shit.
What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining you were, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird bitch?
Look at me. You disobeyed a direct order. How can you think it went well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SDN that it'd result in the back of his ballsack getting scorched? Because they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, fuck, shit happens.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you need me way more than I need you. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Ooh. Ah! Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
What happened to your nose?
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
Invisigal punched me in the face, but I asked for it.
Robert, this is serious.
It's not. I asked for it.
Okay, there's nothing you could have said that warrants her hitting
Would
you.
it be any different if I said I literally asked for her to hit me in the face, and then she did it?
I suppose.
Okay, then let's go with that.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-Teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
The perp got away. How is that an acceptable outcome?
Yeah, shit happens.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah. No. I didn't did this. It's weird because I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy, like evil mode, and smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Hero?
Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Ah, c'est ça son pouvoir, d'accord, je vois.
Hey, I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z-Team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
Hey, so do you want to grab dinner or something? It's dinner time, so I assume that maybe, you know.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
Ils sont ensemble.
Are you ready to go? Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomeman.
Oh no.
This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Ah oui.
I'ma show you how to make a pound cake.
Full toxique, d'accord, mais...
When I see the money, I gotta go and grab it. Pass on the puff, but
Du coup, en vrai, il a l'air toxique, mais est-ce que de son point de vue, c'est pas genre normal? Parce que c'est vrai qu'il est très. Enfin, il est littéralement surhumain, quoi. Moi, je dis quand même, Aurore, elle est full in love de Mekaben, hein. Je dis ça, je dis rien. Ah, nice! Les gens ont fait des... La musique. Nice. 24% des joueurs et vous avez dit qu'un Visimeuf vous avez frappé. Waouh! 1% Rennes. Ah, il y a 10% qui ont dit oui, je viens avec vous. En vrai, ça aurait été trop drôle de voir la réaction. Ah, j'ai proposé un rencard à Aurore. Il y a pas de gens qui proposent un... Il y a des gens qui veulent kisser, mais par contre, le rencard, ils disent non. Bizarre, les gens. Bizarre. « 37% des joueurs et vous avez laissé Sona rencontrer Vandersteken, très bien. Et 40% des joueurs et vous avez convaincu les Fightmen de créer un duo. Très bien. Ah, c'est Sonar que j'ai le plus envoyé. Le taux de succès général est de 20%. Bon bah c'est pas mal, moi je pense que je vais faire un petit dernier épisode. Et qu'après je vais arrêter là parce que je... Oula. Genre que là actuellement de sortie il y a 6 épisodes seulement. Et qu'il y en a 12 à la fin? Non je sais plus. Mais ouais je pense que... Oui le taux de succès. Mais pourtant j'ai tout réussi, sauf 1. Donc c'est bizarre qu'ils me mettent pas un taux de succès plus haut. Bizarre l'ambiance. Donc ouais, un petit dernier épisode je pense, et après on va arrêter là pour ce soir. Mais trop bien. Franchement, ça fait trop plaisir de découvrir Dispatch comme ça en stream. En plus vous êtes là, c'est trop bien, merci d'être là.